Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. I just came back from the swimming pool and opened up the new winner unboxing. Now I will do a makeup. Yeah, before you ask, I know I am wearing my t-shirt inside out because it's not important. I am at home. It's not a tradition. It's not a superstitious. It's not anything complicated. I wear it. I take it off, and then I wear it on again. Then it becomes like this. Next time it will be inside out. Next time will be outside in. So next time will be inside in, outside out. This time outside out, outside in, inside out. So nothing complicated. Just because I am lazy. Okay. I have a new simple method to do makeup. Very, very simple. I put a very, very light layer of foundation. So simple because this brush is soft, so it does not grab or scrap a lot of face powder out. And the other day, one friend said, "You look younger without makeup." And I took a look. It is true. I look younger without makeup, more natural. Skin is bright. With this, the skin is kind of dull because it break up the reflection of it. But maybe with time it will be good. So I put on. I think the important thing is not to make it too harsh or not to make it too exaggerated. You make it very, very light, then it is good enough. As we age, our makeup requirement becomes different. The way we do it is different. We need it lighter, right? We need it as light as possible. This way it does not look too exaggerated. And the eye needs something so that it does not look too sleepy, right? If we do not have anything on the eye, it is not matching. So one thing is about making it light. Another thing is making it equilibre. You put something, then everywhere you need to put something. The eye something. Let me try this. Okay, I've never tried. I need to be. Oh, that's a piece. How do I do it? I hope it's not like a glue. Oh my. Is this the way we do it? Oh my. How do I go to school? Okay. And then If you are a teacher, you wipe it out a little bit. If you are an influencer, you put another layer of it. Just that simple. Oh. It's like Cercle du Soleil. It's like a little bit dramatic, don't you think so? Try to put a little bit here. Just feel the lighting is not the same. And then you put, the other day I said, you put just, oh my goodness, teeny tiny little bit to cover it up. This side a little bit too much. We will figure out a way to clean it up, I think. That is so strange. That is so strange. Okay, let me try another one to fix it a little bit. Now I use my normal color, clean up a little bit, and use this color, same as my skin color, cover it up a little bit, and that's it. Very strange today's makeup. Don't you think so? I feel very strange. But sometimes we just need to be strange, right? Pretty or not is not important. Okay, now the real stuff. See if this color. Wow. Again, it's very, very bright. Tune it down. Still not yet tuned down. I need a chapstick to tune it down. It's just too too bright, I feel. Okay, I learned people have a skill to do here a little bit bright. Where is? Let me try this. Oh no. Oh no. The color is a bit too cold. What I'm doing here. It's like I got beaten in the face. Okay, I think I'm silly enough. You know, how you look, pretty or not, good or not, is not important. If you are married, your husband will not look at you, okay? He will not even notice you have some eyeliner or something. If you are not married, first, someone, if they look so close to you to see this, one thing, you are lucky you are about to get him. Second thing, you are unlucky, or you are even luckier. You can sue that guy for harass you, for getting so close to you. I'm sorry. Just being silly. Yeah, it's just here, the mentality. Of course, it's a silly joke. Okay, that's it. Now I am going to try this one. I have never used. See how it goes. The color is too bright. I just cannot deal with it. However, it builds up a foundation. Then I can use this color. Anyway. A bit too silly. But it looks a little bit silly, right? But the truth is, who on internet, who on YouTube is not silly? This is not a battle of intelligence. It's the battle of the other way. Bye-bye, friends. Okay, I'm stop being silly. I love you. I really do. Do. Go, bye-bye.